Tuxedo OS versus Linux Mint. Which Linux distro is better? So let's compare them. Number 1, their features and user experience. Tuxedo OS is built by Tuxedo computers for their hardware, but it works most on machines. It's based on Ubuntu with KDE Plasma as the chain or main desktop, offering a polished professional look. Linux Mint, however, is famous for being beginner-friendly with desktops like Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE, which is designed for smooth usability. Number 2, their performance and hardware support. Linux Mint runs very well even on older laptops, making it a go-to for lightweight performance, while Tuxedo OS is optimized for modern hardware, especially Tuxedo's own machines, so you will see maximum performance there, but less appeal for older system. Number 3, their software and package management. Both of them are Ubuntu based, so they use apt and Tuxedo integrates its own drivers and tools for hardware, while Linux Mint focuses on simplicity, stability, and multimedia support right off the box. Number 4 is their community and support. Linux Mint has one of the largest Linux communities with plenty of tutorials and forums, while Tuxedo OS is newer, so while it's growing, it doesn't have the same large ecosystem yet. So, for final verdict, if you are on Tuxedo hardware or you want a polished KDE setup, you can go for Tuxedo. But if you want a reliable, beginner-friendly desktop for general use, Linux Mint is the best for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.